Jai Hind everyone, myself is Anuj Kumar. I am the Assistant Professor in Computer Science and Engineering Department in Akgec Engineering College. Today we have to be discussed a topic in the C programming, that is the pattern printing. So basically when we are talking about the pattern printing, though we have to be apply the some logic to print the pattern. So if we are not be using the printing pattern, suppose we are using, I am asking to you, we have to be print a single line in C programming. So all of you say that directly we have to be use the printf, because printf is a function which is used to print something. So we have to be apply here and we have to be apply here this. So we can be a task easily, and my output is this. But if we have to be apply or repeat this line multiple times, so again it is very simple, sir. We are using here again we are using here printf, we are using that is /n. Again we are using another line, that is printf, and again we are use this line and so on. So if we are pattern printing means we have some logic, we have to be apply some rules and we have to be print something. This is the pattern printing. So there is a basic simple way that we are using the printf. But if we have to be increase this number of line multiple times, so it will be how many times we are using the printf again and again. Suppose firstly I have to be run this in 10 time, next time we have to be run 9 time, next time we have to be run 1000 times. So how many times we are using the printf? Means in the, if we have to be repeat one line again and again, there is not be a better way that we are using the printf. Okay. So it is simply what we do, we can be replace each, as we have to be discuss previous lectures, looping. So we are using a simple, sir, we have to be create a for loop and we have to be initialize a variable I equal to 0, and we have to be apply I equal to n less than equal to n, suppose, or less than equal to 10, and we have to be use I plus plus, and here we are using that is printf, or we have to be declare a star in a simple. So what it will be do, for the 10 times it will be print the star 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 star, or it will be print the star 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 in 10 times. If we have to be read after this, we have to be use in the next line. So we are using here the again /n. So it will be print this part, or if we are not be use the printf, it will be use the this part. But here if we are talking about now, we have to be print this pattern. So what we do, we are using the for loop. But how many times, how many loops we are using? So in basic terms, we have to explain in simple way. I use this, if I use line, this is first line, this is second line, this is the third line. So means we are using the 3 lines. So when we are using, so we have to be create a first loop to print the line. We have to be use 0, I is less than 3, and I plus plus. Means this loop is used to print the line. And second one, if we are talking in the first line, how many star we have to be print? So in the first line we have to be print the 3 star. In the first line we have to be print the 3 star, in the second line again we have to be print the 3 star, and in the third line we are using the 3 star. So one loop we have to be apply here for how many number of lines to be print. In second one we have to be use how many number of stars we are print in the each line. So another we have to be create another loop. So we have to be create another loop, and we have to be initialize, that is from variable j is 0 and j is less than 3, and j plus plus. So what it will be done? The first one is used for the print the number of lines, how many lines we have to be print, and the second loop, what it will be done, it will be print how many number of star we have to be print in the each line. Or inside this, if we are using about print, that is printf, and we are using double quotes, that is star. So how it will be used? It will be take the value I equal to 0. Now I equal to 0, then it will be goes here, I is less than 3, okay, done. It will be repeat means I equal to 0, it will be repeat I equal to 1, it will be repeat I equal to 2. So it will be repeat 3 times, or total number of lines is 3. So it is the clear, because we have to be print for the 3 lines. Now in the second part, in each line how many star we have to be print? So we have to be star, the value is j, and j equal to 0. J is less than 3 means 0 is less than 3, condition is true, it will be go inside, it will be print the star. It will be print the star. Now it will be increase the value of j. Now 1 is less than 3, condition true, again it will be print the star. Now again it will be increase the value, 2 is less than 3, condition true, it will be again print the star. Now we have to be increase the value, 3 is not less than 3, so it will be not print. So one time when I equal to 0, j execute 3 times, and we have to be print this line. Now I equal to 1, but I equal to 1, again it will be check, j equal to 0, then it will be execute, 0 is less than 3, condition true, it will be print star. So what it will be do? First, in the first part it will be print 3, but in when I equal to 1 it will be print here. But what we do, we have to be need this point in the next line. कहाँ चाहिए हमें? In the next line. So what we do? When we have to execute this, so before close this bracket here, we are using that is printf, or we are using that is backslash, and so we have to be print here, so it will be go in the next line, again it will be execute 3 times, again I equal to 2, it will be execute again in the next time. So it had better if we are using the pattern printing, so we have to be find out the some logic between what we want to be print. In simple, we have to be how many number of lines we have to be print, or how many number of stars we have to be print in the each line. So we have to be created the 2 loops. So if we have to be know the logic of this, ki what we want to be print, so this is the simplest way ki we have to be print any pattern in the C. So we are taking here some examples or some parts of the pattern printing. First part, if we have to be taking about, we have to be print here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So same here, firstly what we want to, how many number of line we have to be print. So we have to be print number of line. So means we have to be create one loop for the how many number of lines we have to be print. So here we are using here loop for I equal to 1. कितनी lines चाहिए हमें? 5 lines. So we have you use apply I is less than equal to 5 and the I plus plus. Second one, in each line how many number of stars? Means in first जिसको हमने डिक्लेयर किससे किया, दैट इज आई के लूप से. दूसरा, नंबर ऑफ स्टार इन ईच लाइन, दैट इज जे. अब यहाँ पे हमें क्या चाहिए? इन द फर्स्ट लाइन वी यूज द नंबर ऑफ स्टार 1, second line we use number of star 2, third line we use number of star 3, next line we use number of star 4, next line we use number of star 5. What we do in the previous, what we do, we have to be apply a loop and it will be print the 3 3 3 3 3 and so on. But here what we want, in the first line we are using only 1 star, in the second line we are using 2 star, in the third line 3, fourth line 4, fifth line 5. So what is the relation? How many times we have to be apply this loop? So basic what we here, if number of line number is 1, number of star is 1. If number of line is 2, number of star is 2, number of line is 3, number of star is 3. तो हम जो j का लूप यहाँ पे इनसाइड के लिए चलाएंगे वो डिपेंड कितनी बार चल रहा है कि जितनी बार मेरी i की वैल्यू हो. इफ i इक्वल टू 1, 1 स्टार प्रिंट, i इक्वल टू 2, 2 स्टार प्रिंट, i इक्वल टू 3, 3 star print. So what we do simple here, as we have here apply I, 3. So instead of this we have to be apply the I. So in this here we are using a loop j equal to 1 and j is less than equal to I. What we do if suppose I equal to 1, it will go to the inside j equal to initialized by 1. 1 is less than no but equal to 1, condition is true, it will be print the star. So what it will be do, it will be print the star. Next it will be the next line. Next line again, now it will be increase the value I. Now I equal to 2, again j equal to 1, j equal to 1. 1 is less than equal to I or I कितना है 2, go to the inside, done, it will be print the star. Now increase the value of j. Now j equal to 2. 2 is less than equal to 2. Condition is true. So it will be print again star. Now it will be increase the value j. j equal to 3. 3 is less than equal to 2. Condition false. So it will be not print. So it will be come outside this block. Sorry, outside this block. And it will be go here for the next line. Now it will be print I equal to 3, so it will be print the 3 star. Again it will be come into the next line and it will be print into the 4 star. So in this pattern printing, what we have to be find out the logic means in the first line we have to be use how many number of stars. If line equal to 1, number of star is 1. If line equal to 2, number of star is 2. If line equal to 3, number of star is 3 and so on. तो we have to be find out means inner loop जब भी मैं यहाँ पे हम अप्लाई करते हैं तो डिपेंड कितनी बार चल रहा है कि i के ऊपर. अगर i इक्वल टू 1, नंबर ऑफ स्टार कितना चाहिए 1, तो हमने यहाँ पे यही लूप किसके लिए चला दिया, j is less than equal to i equal to 1. If i equal to 2, it will be start from 1 or less than equal to 2, means maximum 2 star print. If I equal to 3, so it will be start from 1, 2 and 3. So means it will be inner loop will be print the 3 star. Okay. Now another taking the another example. Instead of star, what we do? We have to be print the in the last we have to print this. Now what we do? Now we have to be print value 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 instead of star. So what we do is means ki firstly we have to be create here number of lines means 1 2 3 and 4. Number of line is 4. Second one, how many times it will be print? तो what is difference? Here हमने print क्या किया था star, but यहाँ print क्या करना है 1. नेक्स्ट टाइम वो क्या प्रिंट करे स्टार स्टार की जगह पे 1 2. तो वन चीज तो एक थिंग क्लियर हुआ कि जब हमने लूप चलाया, फर्स्ट लूप हमारा कहां से चला था 1 से लेके 5 तक. यहाँ भी हमारा फर्स्ट लूप कितना चला था 1 2 लेके 5 तक. दूसरा j का लूप चला अप्लाई किया, वी हैव टू बी 1 इक्वल टू एंड j इज लेस देन इक्वल टू 1. तो मींस हमने j का लूप भी यहाँ पे चेंज कहाँ होगा कि जहां अब मुझे स्टार प्रिंट किया था, मुझे यहाँ पे स्टार प्रिंट नहीं करना, अब स्टार की जगह पे मुझे क्या प्रिंट करना है 1 या फिर 1 या 2. ओके. अब दो चीजें यहाँ पे है कि व्हाट आई प्रिंट आई, क्योंकि i इक्वल टू भी क्या है 1 2 5 एंड j इक्वल टू भी क्या है, j लूप अप्लाई कर रहा है 1 2 एंड. तो इन द फर्स्ट व्हाट वी डू हियर वी हैव टू बी प्रिंट ओनली 1. तो मींस j इक्वल टू 1. तो इन आउटसाइड लूप इज नंबर ऑफ लाइन्स और in the second loop what we print in each line, what we print in the each line. So here we have to be apply here j. So if I equal to 1, it will go inner loop, j equal to 1, 1 is less than equal to 1, condition true, it will be print what j. और j की वैल्यू कितना है 1, तो it will be print the 1. Now j increase 2, 2 is less than equal to 2, condition false, it will not print anything, it will become outside this block and it will be come to the next line. Now next line, I equal to 2. Now j equal to 1. 1 is less than equal to 2, condition true, it will be print the value of j 1. Here j equal to 1. Now it will be increase the value. Now j equal to 2. 2 is less than, no, but equal to 2, yes, condition true. So again it will be go inside this block and it will be print the value of j, and value is 2. Now j equal to 3. 3 is less than equal to 2, condition false, so it will not be print anything and it will become outside this block and it will be go to the next line. Means if we have to be, now it will be print the 1, 2, 3. Instead of 3 stars, it will be print the 1, 2, 3. So what we'll do, we have to be print the value. If we have want to this, we have to be print the value of the j. Done. Now you have to be try what happened if we have to be print what is the logic. Same number of lines and what we have to be print in the each line. So you have to be think about this logic and find out the value. What is the difference? What we do? What we change? Only instead of this we have to be change only one value, so we are not be using. Try in this, if what happened, it we have to be print here I instead of I, then you have to be find out the answer. What will be the answer is the this. Clear? So there are the some more patternage we have to be discussed in the next class, but you have to be try at least these patterns. If we have to be find out the logic, how many number of lines we have to be print and what we have to be print in the each line, so we have to be declare or we have to be find out, draw the pattern. It's very easy. Okay, thank you. In the next lecture we have to be discuss the various pattern printing, various types.